Hi friends, after 2 days later, I again come back with my another watercolor landscape. So you can see I start the painting from wet the paper and I just start the color from cobalt blue and ultramarine blue mixture. Then I create the background trees, and for the background trees I use ultramarine blue and sap green mixture. So you can see how I create those trees in the background area. And then I add some extra dark in the background part. And for the land area I use sap green and another some lemon yellow mixture, and the color pigmentation is 3 or 5 on 10. Then I use some fresh water to create some river effect, and I create the foreground land in the same way, lemon yellow and sap green mixture. Before the river is dry, I used to create some reflection of the tree. So now I have to create the foreground road and the color is same. First I just use to apply the color, and then I wash the color with some fresh water. And for the river effect, I just first apply some colors like cobalt blue and ultramarine blue mixture and a little bit of sap green, and then I wash with fresh water, and you can see it's look beautiful like a river. So now I have to create the foreground trees, and for the foreground trees I just wet the paper first, and then apply some hookers green and ultramarine blue and little bit of vermilion hue mixture. And you can see it is very easy to create that mood. Then I apply some hookers green and vermilion hue mixture to pop up the area. And for the human body I use burnt sienna and vermilion hue mixture. So you can see how I create this. So my painting is almost done. I think this video will really help you, and please comment down to improve my painting. Thank you. Bye bye. See you soon.